I'm Ashok here and I'm Assistant Vice President for NSL Nakshatra. I joined on 21st of October last year, in the sense 2024 October. NSL Nakshatra, it's placed at a very centric location. It's heart of the city and it's one of the beautiful location. You name it, we have it. Whether you call it metro station, whether you want to go towards any say MMTS, or even if you want any hospitals, IT hubs, the way you want, we have it here. The overall market itself is very sluggish even currently. However, despite of all these kind of challenges, see, the first challenge was like many people thought this would be like just a unique standalone apartment kind of a thing. See, because of which we had a very tough time initial days. But however, the way we projected ourselves, this is a unique project which is meant for very specific and very high profile customers. That's the positioning we went on, and our hard work paid us a lot, and frankly speaking, we could catch very good business people and very high profile doctors in and around KPHP. And also, since we are very near to IT hub, definitely yes, we have many more software engineers. So, and frankly speaking, see, the overall legacy of Newsbeats is limited. It's the first thing which clicked up for us to convince the customer, because the legacy which Newsbeats Limited has brought in for ages, it cannot be forgotten.